Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tech Chat. So today I'm going to talk about how to install Oracle VirtualBox. So guys, this is the first video of cloud computing video series. So then why I'm going to talk about Oracle VirtualBox? So actually, if you are going to learn cloud, you should have a knowledge on what is virtualization. So that's why I'm going to talk about Oracle VirtualBox. It will simply teach you about virtualization. So here I will download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Then after the next video, I will install different operating systems on Oracle VirtualBox. Or on then you can understand that there is a single software, we call it Oracle VirtualBox, and there are several operating systems we call virtual machines running on that Oracle VirtualBox. So simply we call this virtualization. So let's have a look how to download Oracle VirtualBox. So on my notepad you can see you have to search to download Oracle VirtualBox on your browser. So I'm going to copy this, then paste it on my browser and press enter. So on the top of the browser you can see Oracle VirtualBox website and download page. So I simply click go to download. From the download page you can see VirtualBox 6.1.26 platform packages for different operating systems. So you can see there are several options for Windows host, Linux distribution, Solaris hosts. So here my operating system is a Windows one. So I'm going to select Windows hosts. Okay, now you can see there is a pop-up for save this file. So okay, simply click save file. Okay guys, this will take few minutes to download considering my download speeds. So wait for it. Then we can install the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay guys, my download was completed. So I'm going to install it. So I'm going to download folder and double click on my package. Okay, now installation wizard is open. So just click next. Okay, now it is asking for the installation location, but I'm going to keep it as same C program files Oracle VirtualBox. Click next. Okay, so it's asking for other options also. I'm keeping default option and click next. Okay, guys, it's asking for the proceed with installation now. Okay, no problem. I'm going to just click yes. Okay, and then install. Okay guys, my installation was completed. So here you can see start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. I can tick untick this one. So I'm going to keep the tick. So then this will automatically start the Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm going to click finish now. Okay guys, now you can see how is my Oracle VirtualBox view. So this is the view of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So today I taught you how to download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So from the next video, I'm going to teach about how to install different operating system on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So then we will use virtual machine concepts. So from the next video we will set up virtual machines and then we will install operating system on each virtual machine. So this is the theory of virtualization. So you have a single hardware layer, so then you can install several operating systems on your hardware using virtual machines. So this is the virtualization concept. So here we are using Oracle VirtualBox Manager, and it's utilize the hardware resource of our computer. So that's the hardware layer. Then using Oracle VirtualBox, it's the our hypervisor layer. So I will teach about hypervisor layer. Don't worry about it. Then we have several virtual machines. On each virtual machines, we will have an operating system. So it's like a single computer. So this is the concept of virtualization. Guys, we will talk about virtualization and installation of virtual machines and operating system from the next video. So don't worry, if you have something to clarify, please comment on comment bar, so then I will reply you. And also if you need to learn many more things, so then you can email me. My email address techchat75 at gmail.com, and also you can contact me using my mobile number. It's on the description. And guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like and share my videos. And one thing to say that this is not the only video series. I have several video series for networking and system administration, and for DNS, for email, and there are so many things will come with this YouTube channel. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also thanks for watching this video. I will come back with a new video. Thank you very much.